The Red Sea is one of the world's most vital maritime corridors. Today, growing Houthi threats to commercial shipping and Saudi Arabia have transformed it into a dangerous geopolitical flashpoint. Pakistan has issued a firm policy statement, strongly condemning threats against Saudi Arabia and international shipping, while reaffirming its commitment to regional stability and maritime security. Attacks on commercial vessels threaten freedom of navigation, disrupt global supply chains, and endanger international energy security. Protecting these sea lanes is a shared global responsibility. Islamabad has declared unwavering support for the sovereignty, security, and territorial integrity of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Any hostile act against Pakistani-flagged vessels will be treated as a direct threat to Pakistan's national security under the UN Charter. As a responsible regional power, Pakistan stands for deterrence without escalation, respect for international law, secure sea lanes, and dialogue to preserve peace, stability, and uninterrupted global commerce across the Middle East.